Welcome back to the channel. Going to meet up with a couple of guys from the NYC Zoos Club over in Brooklyn. We're going to do a couple of breweries and a bite to eat. Haven't been over this bridge in a while. It's always fun going over the bridges. Thank you. Every time, every time. I get around these people. Too slow. A lot of electric vehicles on this path today. Saw a bunch. A couple Onyx, some Surrons. Something a little beefier than a Surron too. It looked like Onyx body, but with Surron suspension and wheels and like overall stylistic look to it. You know how Onyx has that triangle that's filled in with battery, that kind of area. What's up?
What's up, man?
Yeah. Nice. What's up?
What's up?
Who's Indian?
Mine.
I know, I said the same thing when I got here.
Next spot?
Yeah.
Finback. Oh, this is a cool spot. Nice. I did not bring my lock.
Almost like cold cuts, essentially.
Right.
It's like juices, right? Spicy, salty juices.
With celery, it was like chocolate celery.
Look at this. It's like a fancy man picnic out here. What's that one?
Sky upward.
Fancy man picnic is exactly right. That's 100% what it is.
Nice. Cheers.
Yeah, I like this because the sun like sets right over here, so I usually
That
come
one's
here in
good.
the evening.
It's really nice now with the sun out. Coming up on Prospect Park here. We are on our way to Blue Collar Burger up in Williamsburg. Been here before with the gang once, but we're gonna hit it again in the daylight. Nice, open road, 2 lanes. Get some high speed. I was telling Steven, I saw one of his videos of him doing this run, the Finback and back. And I was like, man, I gotta do that run with you. That looks fun. Because of this road. It's just open road. You can really thumb gun. Why are you so slow? What's up? Gonna throw some burgers in our belly. I like this ride. This is a good one. Brisk, good speed, not a lot of traffic. Sunday afternoon, cruising, catching the green wave. So this place is on 2nd and Havemeyer. South 2nd and Havemeyer. We're not too far. Just got to go a little further in. Cruising, beeping, whistling, honking. Thumb gunning, hitting top speeds. Steven's got a good head start on us. Rutledge Street. I haven't really been to this part of town. It's all new to me. See Steven up ahead. He's an aggressive rider. In fact, I think him and Kelvin are probably the two most aggressive riders in our group. I remember these bumps. We made it.
Nothing happened.
These look so good.
We didn't do anything. You wanna know what happened? I came on her.
What's he doing? Locking up the bikes out there?
Yeah.
Got the photo? You good?
Oh, no.
Mine was like, mine was just sitting there.
Let's just split, yeah. Alright. Alright.
You don't know. All right, see you guys. Ride safe.
Later.
Great burger. Really happy about that burger. I'm glad I came back in the daytime so I could get a photo, a proper photo, and, you know, update the website. I think the move is to get a double patty because they're a little bit thin, but, you know, you're still going to be happy. You're going to be fine with it. It's very similar to a In-N-Out burger. If you're familiar with West Coast chain In-N-Out, great burger. So I would say it's on par with that. Real tasty, great fries, perfectly seasoned, perfectly fried, absolutely delicious. Give that place a shot. You will enjoy it. So, announcement, every Wednesday from here on out this summer is going to be Electric Wednesday. celebrating all manner of electric vehicles at the House of Machines on Monroe Street, underneath the Manhattan Bridge, right near the Lower East Side Skate Park, every Wednesday, 5 to 10 p.m. Come through. If you have an electric vehicle, whether it's a skateboard, a scooter, a BMX, an Onyx, a moto, a real deal electric motorcycle, like a Livewire or a Zero, come through. We're all going to be checking out each other's stuff and celebrating electric vehiclehood. So come through and make sure you like, subscribe to the channel, tell your friends, tell your family, tell your fucking grandma.